students. Good morning and Jai Hind to all. Welcome to Saraswati Sisukunj Gurwala Sir, English Medium, Standard First, Subject EVS. Okay students, I hope that all of you have seen our previous video, right? So in our previous video, I have explained chapter number 5, WATER, water. Okay, and I have explained the whole chapter water. Okay, so today in this video, we will revise all the points of this chapter first. Okay, we will revise all the important points that we have discussed in this lesson, and then after we will do textbook exercise. Okay, I hope that all of you understood about the water, importance of water, as well as sources of water and uses of water. Okay, so let's have a glance at once about water. So what we learned in our previous video? So we learned that water is very important for all living things. Okay, in living things including human being, all plants, animals, we need water. Okay, and we use water for many things, right? We use water for many things like to drink, to cook, to wash, to build homes, to grow crops. So for many things we use water in our day-to-day life. Okay, then we learn about the sources of water. Okay, so which are the sources of water? What are the different kinds of sources of water? Sources means something from which we get water. Okay, so rivers, streams, wells, ponds, tanks. Okay, so these are the different sources of water. Means from these things we get the water. Okay, but apart from them, what is the main important natural source of water? So rain. Rain is the natural important source of water. Okay, so rain gives us water and it is natural. Okay, so in rainy season we can find the water through rain, and in rainy season we can see that all plants grow well because of they get water, they get rainwater. Okay, and this is how in rainy season new plants started to grow from the seeds because of rainy water. They grow well means in rainy season. Okay, then after we learn about that water has no color, taste or smell, and we should use drink pure water to drink and to cook. Okay, and that is why water is very important to us, means for all living things, because without water we can't live. Plants they can also they will not also grow without water. Okay, that is why water is a very precious gift to us, and that is why we should save water. We should not waste the water. Okay, so till here we have discussed in our previous part, and today now we are going to do some textbook exercise. So all of you open your Fusion book. So let's see. Open your Fusion book, page number 203. Right? On that, exercise number 1 is choose the right word from the bracket and complete the sentence. So here you can see that the brackets are given. Okay, brackets are given. So we have to choose the correct option from there and we have to complete the sentence. Okay, so first one, you cannot have a bath without then blank, and in bracket there are towel and water. Okay, once again, you cannot have a bath without clothes, clean the floor, have a bath means for taking bath, to build homes, put out fire, and to grow plants. So for all these things we need water. Okay. Now let's see exercise number 3. T for true or F for false statements. Means here some sentences are given, and if the sentence is true, then you have to write T. But if the sentence is false, then we have to write F. Okay. So first one is pure water has no taste. Pure water has no taste. Yes, it is true because pure water has no taste as well as no color or no smell. So it is a true statement. That's why we will write T. Number 2, germs